My name is Dr. Matthew Tripp, and I'm the Chief Scientific Officer for Synergy Worldwide. Since 1981, when I first received my PhD from the Department of Bacteriology and Public Health at Washington State University, I've been amazed by this increase in epidemic worldwide and how science, molecular biology, can play a role in understanding these underlying disease mechanisms. Since joining Synergy in May of 2013, I reviewed their portfolio of products, and I'm so excited about how these can be applied to this epidemic of chronic illness. This is a very exciting time for Synergy Worldwide. As you may or may not know, we're finalizing the design of our state-of-the-art laboratories and clinics that we're building here in Lehi, Utah. We're building molecular biology labs, chemistry labs, and we're building a clinic to evaluate our new science, our new products, and our new programs. These programs are the ones that we'll be launching over the next several months to a few years, which are going to touch more and more lives. Our clinic will be critical because we'll be able to demonstrate and prove that our products work in human beings. We're also partnering with other clinicians throughout the United States and throughout the world that also will be working with us to help us validate our products. One of my primary responsibilities is the continued expansion of our medical and scientific advisory board. Our plan is to involve more professionals from around the world, individuals that will offer unique expertise. Together, we'll work to ensure that our product formulas are able to provide maximum benefit. My vision for Synergy Worldwide is to be a powerful force in the fight against the burgeoning epidemic of worldwide diet and age-related chronic illness, utilizing our current products, upgraded products, and new products that we have in development. We'll build programs that will make a huge difference. The reason I joined Synergy Worldwide was to have the opportunity to make a difference. And the management of Synergy have given me this opportunity. And over the next few years, working with all of you, we'll be building new products, new programs, as well as using the fine arsenal of existing products and programs that we already have at Synergy Worldwide. I couldn't be more excited about our future.